Are you looking for the best GPS watch? In this video we will look at some of the best GPS watch on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. We have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Garmin Forerunner 55. The Forerunner 55 is Garmin's most recent budget GPS watch. It replaces the Forerunner 45 and 45S, which you'll also see listed below. So why buy the Forerunner 55 if earlier, less expensive versions of this watch are still available? More features, better battery, and longer support from Garmin if something goes wrong. Like any good GPS watch, the Forerunner 55 tracks time, pace, and distance. A wrist heart rate monitor is built into the watch for round-the-clock heart rate tracking. It doubles as a fitness tracker to monitor steps and sleep tracking. Separating this watch from almost everything on the list is a high-resolution, color display. You'll get 20 hours of battery life when using it with GPS on a run. Closer to 14 days when just wearing it as a fitness tracker. Number 2. Garmin Forerunner 45. Garmin's Forerunner 45 was their budget watch prior to the Forerunner 55. But one nice thing about this watch is that it came in two sizes, the 45, the standard size, and the 45S, which was a slightly smaller version for people with thin wrists. And even though it's discontinued, it still stands above most other budget GPS watches, plus you can find it for a great price online. Like the Forerunner 55, the watch tracks essential info for runs, time, distance, pace, and heart rate. It has a nice, easy-to-read color display combined with a user-friendly interface. Garmin also included an activity tracker on the Forerunner 45. So in addition to tracking your activities with GPS, it can be worn all day and night to monitor steps, track sleep, and set daily exercise goals. Number 3. Timex Ironman GPS. This watch keeps it simple, it displays your time, your pace, and your distance. That's basically it. All in a lightweight design with a nice 12-hour battery. Workouts can be uploaded post-run. And it has a few extra features like interval workouts, a run/walk timer, and race mode. When turned on, race mode leaves GPS no matter what. So if you are waiting in a corral or at the start for a long period of time, GPS won't automatically turn off. It also has some preloaded race distances, 5K, 10K, etc., so during a race you'll know how much farther to the finish. Best of all, the Timex Ironman GPS is a solid deal and the reason it makes our best budget GPS watch list.